do you think, Mario?
Great.
Great. No, I think that's awesome. Looks really good. We got some pretty cool stuff coming through the shop. We got a job on press that is 7 colors, isn't it, Mario? Is it 8?
No, it's not 8, it's 7.
Speaking of, why don't we have a flattening screen? I guess we really don't need it. So we're going to print on some comfort color shirts. Just to let you know, we make mistakes too, so we apparently left the black out of the design originally. And it went through multiple people in the shop and none of us caught it until everything was printed. But it's a pretty cool print. We're just missing the black, so we're fixing those today so we can get that project wrapped up. Here's a print that we did yesterday. 5 colors. We had a white base, red, a golden yellow, gray, and black. I think it came out pretty awesome. So Mario's gonna run off a test print just to make sure everything's looking good. I'm gonna run off one of the shirts. I'll walk around the press and show you exactly how we have things set up. So we got our white base going down, which we're going to hit once, and I believe it is a 230 mesh. That's 230, right, Mario? 230 on all of these. It's a little cooler today, so it's taking things just a little bit longer to flash, but Mario just warmed up the pallets. We got black going down. You can probably speed this up just a hair. It was sticking to this screen over here because we didn't flash it last time all that well. So we got a deep red just to kind of help the font there. We got a golden yellow going down. Again, these are all 230 mesh. We got a turquoise going down. Here's how it's looking so far. We're gonna hit it with gray. Our C8 cool gray. Another 230 mesh screen. And then hitting it with the highlight white. That will kind of tie everything together. And here's what it's looking like. What do you think, Mario?
Great.
Great. No, I think that's awesome. Looks really good. Okay. So everything's warmed up. I'm going to start printing these things, and I'll record the press in action, and we'll get these taken care of. It's Friday. We're going to get a bunch of things done and enjoy the weekend. Hopefully. Cold front that came through. So what we're doing at this moment is running some of these back through the dryer because my awesome self forgot to change the dryer temps because it is a little cooler out. But however, caught it, and you can kind of tell because when you let it cool down for a little bit, you give it a little bit of a stretch. If it cracks, it's not fully cured. That's a pro tip. We got our next job on the press. How do you feel about that, Mario? That I'm filming and it's Friday. Anyhow, I'll show you guys what this next print looks like. It's a huge oversized print. You got it? Did it want to come off?
Too much glue.
A little too much glue. Oh, that little spot up at the top, did we get that?
Yeah, because I curved the, where it's on top, it doesn't go straight line.
Alright, we had to stop for a moment. We're having some pinhole issues. And the only thing I can attribute it to is that blanket. I think it's just time to replace it. So we got a little bit of blowing out to do. Get rid of some pinholes. Not too big of a deal. But here's how the print is looking. Use a 230 as the base. 230 is the top, and it came out pretty bright. Pretty bright white. I'm pretty happy with that. And it's not a crap ton of ink. Alright, we got the next job on press. Got just a small amount of hoodies, but we're printing the white base down essentially. Doing a print flash print. Flashing it over here. Hitting it with the flattening screen. And we're just going to let it cycle around and repeat that process. And it's making for a really nice flat print. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's over this way. I believe we're using is it a 195, Mario?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so yeah, it's a 195. And this thing is just smooth as butter. The old 196, that's probably older than us all, still putting down some nice print. So I just loaded up the last hoodie and it's gonna go around and flash and just kind of, you want me to hit the auto? And so we're just letting it go around twice, just because it's a small job. And we'll go around and flash over here, and then we're hitting it with the flattening screen again.
So smart. That.
Here's the next print we have on press. It is 5 colors, but I think we're gonna have to hold on this one because
you suck.
Because Mario. Because Mario chose the colors. No, it just needs to be a little bit darker of a brown. But we're all kind of liking these colors here.
I like it better like that.
I do too.
I do too.
So it's a white base for flashing it. We've got a cream color, gray, this kind of medium brown, and then a sienna brown, but we probably need to shift these to here to a little bit darker of a brown.
If all 3 of us like it better like this, maybe we should take a picture and just see maybe if he would like it better like that too.
Well, we can take off the registration marks and all that and do a test print.
I mean, like if I'm just saying, the 3 of us like it, if he liked too.
Do we like it because we don't feel like changing the color?
No, I
these are
like
house
it
colors we
I
have.
genuinely like it better.
I do too. So we shall see. But thanks for tuning in, guys. That's gonna wrap it up for today. Mario says adios. It's almost time for us to get out of here. There's Apollo once again, just in case you tune in for Apollo. We appreciate it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Where are you going? And then Shannon's wearing one of the messed up shirts that we did. But anyways, we'll see y'all next time.